Hello, good morning students. Myself is Kanti sir, teaching mathematics in standard 10 English medium. I heartily welcomes you at our online mathematics class. As you know, this is the working of last video of yesterday's video lecture. We gone through these types of sums. If two zeros of biquadratic polynomials are given, then you can find other zeros. Okay, so that is the working of example 9. That is your homework. Now same way, same type of sum is given in exercise 2.3. In exercise 2.3, only difference is there is a one. Both zeros are given in fraction only. Instead of integer, they are given in fraction. Okay, number of that one is 3. So exercise 2.3, question number 3. Okay, we are going to solve that sum first of all. What is the question? Root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3 are two zeros of polynomial on x 2x raised to 4 3x raised to 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Find other zero. Just like example 9, process will be same only, but here fraction is there. Okay, all steps remain same only. So write down root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3 are zeros of p of x. Therefore, we can write x minus under root 5 by 3 and x plus under root 5 by 3 are factors of p of x. In earlier ones, example number 9, we multiplied both factors. So resulting new is also factor of given polynomial. Okay, so just multiply them. I can write directly here a minus b, a plus b. So therefore, x square minus 5 by 3 is a factor of p of x. Okay, multiplication of both factors is also factor of given polynomial. Okay, so now we are having that one factor, so for finding remaining zeros and remaining factors we have to divide. Okay, so now over that division process starts. So that polynomial is 3x4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. 3x4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Now, x square plus 0x minus 5 by 3. Okay, as our usual practice, we just place missing term by applying zero coefficient. Now, look here. We want 3x4 from x square by comparing first term. So I have to multiply by 3x square only. Why? 3x4 is required from x square. Okay, so multiply 3x square with divisor. So 3x raised to 4 plus 0x cube minus. Now look carefully there, minus 5 by 3 into 3x square. Okay, suppose we are not doing that orally, then be careful like this. So it will be minus 5x square. Okay, 3x square with x square, 3x square with 0x, and 3x square is with minus 5 by 3. So multiply means 3 cancel out. So left is minus 5x square. Now sign opposite. This gone. Here 6x cube itself. Here left plus 5 minus 2 plus 3x square. Plus 5 minus 2 minus 10x. Now again look first term. Compare first one. So I want 6x cube from x square. So I have to multiply by 6x. Why by 6x? Because 6x cube is required from x. Now multiply this. So 6x into this. So it will be 6x cube. Then 6 into 0, 0. X into x, x square. Now minus 5 by 3 into 6x. Minus 5 by 3 into 6x. Due to this fraction, don't confuse. If you want, you can do this type of rough work also. So 3 to the 6. So whatever left, 5 to the 10x. So minus 10x. Okay. If you orally cannot multiply this one due to fraction, then do these types of rough work. Now minus minus plus. This term gone. This also gone. Left is 3x square minus 5. Okay. From x square we want 3x square. So multiply by 3. Multiply by 3. So by 3 only. So it will be 3x square. No need of this term because x term is already cancelled. So no need to write it. Now 3 into 5 by 3. So 3 will already be cancelled. Okay. So left will be only 5. Okay. Minus 5 by 3 into 3. 3 gone. So only minus 5 is there. Minus plus. This term gone and equal and opposite 5 also. Why? We divided by factor. So we get this portion. Now you can find remaining 0 after factorizing this portion polynomial. Okay. So now I am doing that factorization process here. So 3x square plus 6x plus 3. You just write here only. Okay, just going ahead as some process equal to 0. Why? We want 0 from there. Now whole equation is divisible by 3. So whenever any equation is divisible by any number, just divide that equation. Always keep in mind, whenever any equation is divisible by any number, means all terms are divisible by any, something is common, at that time always divide. So it is divisible by 3, 0 also. So I divide by 3. Here also 0 by 3. 0 by 3. 0. Now look here, a is 1. So we can write directly factor. How? First write x. Then what do you want? 2 from factor of 1. You want 2 from factor of 1 by addition only. So 1 and 1. Sign of middle term only. Because we want plus 2. So plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. Okay, so both are same only. Then again you can write x plus 1 equal to 0 or x plus 1 equal to 0. Means x equal to minus 1. Okay. So remaining not 2 factor but 1 factor is only. So you just write down in a statement, therefore remaining factor is minus 1. Otherwise remaining factors are minus 1 and minus 1. Okay. Anyway, that topic or concept remains same. So nothing is there, only due to that fraction you may feel somewhat different. But actually process is same, just like example number 9. Okay. Now one another way is also there I want to give at this step. If you don't want fraction here, then you can take LCM also. If you take LCM that one, then it will become 3x square minus 5 upon 3. If you take LCM, this is extra. I am talking now somewhat different. If you take your LCM, then it will be this. Now that 3 is not important. If you divide given polynomial by 3x square minus 5, then also you will get same answer. Okay, that is not important. Okay, in division only, otherwise important. So you just take LCM and by numerator only just divide. According to that only you will have answer minus 1 only. Okay, anyway you can solve. Now homework. So in today's session, first sum as a homework. First sum, just like this one. Okay, and that is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2 are zeros of 2x4 minus 10x cube plus 9x square plus 15x minus 80. Again 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2 are zeros of polynomial 2x4 minus 10x cube plus 9x square plus 15x minus 80. Find other zeros. Okay, and answer will be 3 and 2. Answer will be 3 and 2. Okay, same type of sum only, just like question number 3 of exercise 2.3. Now, sometimes you are asked to find division and then you are told to go through verification step also. So there is one example given in a textbook. Okay, so we first of all go through that example. Okay, and that is example number 8. That is homework. Now just write it down. Okay, I am going to rub the 8. Root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 are zeros of p of x 2x4 minus 10x cube plus 9x square plus 15x minus 18. Find other zero. Answer will be 3 and 2. Now example 8. Nothing is new there. Only one thing is new. So example 8. Okay, so our next sum is from there on. Divide 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 minus x square, and that part is new. Verify division algorithm. Verify by division algorithm. Now what is division algorithm? Division algorithm we already got through in lesson number 1. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now in this lesson there is a particular symbol are there. Dividend polynomial is always denoted by p of x. Divisor polynomial is always denoted by v of x. Quotient is by q of x and remainder by r of x. So this is nothing but a division algorithm. P of x is equal to v of x into q of x plus r of x. So at last, not now, at last we have to use this one. Now just divide as we already divided so many sums. Now just arrange them according to decreasing degree. Minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. And here also minus x square plus x minus 1. And nothing done, only rearrange it. Okay, according to decreasing degree. Here also. Okay, now minus x. Why minus x? Sorry, plus x. I want minus x cube. So minus x square is already there. Only x is missing. So I multiply it by x. So it will be minus x cube plus x square minus x. Okay, we multiply it by x only. So minus x cube plus x square minus x plus minus plus. That's what. Plus 3 minus 1, 2x square. Minus 3x plus x. Minus 3 plus 1, minus 2. Okay, minus 3x plus 1x, so minus 2x. Now look here. From minus x square we want 2x square. So I have to multiply by minus 2, by minus 2. So that it become minus minus plus, and 2 is not there, so we get 2. Okay, now multiply, so it will become 2x square minus 2x, okay, minus 2 into x, minus minus plus 2. Again, multiplying by minus 2, minus x square plus x minus 1. Okay, we are doing this types of homework also at initial steps of this type of sum. So it will be minus minus plus 2x square minus plus minus 2x minus minus plus 2. Now sign opposite. Equal and opposite terms, again equal and opposite terms, 5 minus 2, 3, 3 remains. Okay, it is not given, that is a factor. Just division sum is that. Now, verify by division algorithm. So, just verify our division process by division algorithm. So, here P of x is this, G of x is this, Q of x is this, and R of x is this. Okay, so write down accordingly. So, P of x equal to G of x into Q of x plus R of x. So, write down all this. You will have P of x. So that is minus x square plus x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus 3. Okay, that is new. So now multiply by x. Okay, how to multiply it? All terms by first of all x, then by minus 2. Okay, minus x square plus x minus 1 plus 3. Now multiply this. Okay, that bracket is open. Now just open this bracket also. So minus x cube plus minus minus, again plus 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 x square plus minus minus x. Okay, minus x cube plus x square minus x. Now minus minus plus 2x square, minus plus minus 2x, and minus minus plus 2 plus 3. Again minus minus plus 2x square minus plus minus 2 into x 2x, and minus minus plus 2 1s are 2 and plus 3. That is remainder. Now just combine like terms. So there is only one cube term. Now here is x square, here also x square. So 1x square plus 2x square, 3x square. Now here is minus x, here is minus 2x. So combine both x terms, so it will be minus 3x. Now combine both these numbers 5. Okay, so all like terms are combined. So what we obtain? That dividend polynomial itself, just verify that. Okay, so dividend polynomial is obtained. Okay, so that is the verification step, whether our division process was right or wrong. Okay, so how to divide was not new. How to verify, that is new. That you understand. First of all, remember this thing. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, all these symbols also. Now write everything, this and this. So you will have this main means dividend polynomial at last step. If you don't get here, then you derive the conclusion that either your division process is wrong, otherwise your verification step is wrong. Okay. Now, homework, second sum. In today's session, second sum. Just like this. Divide x4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 20 by x square plus 2x plus 2. Okay. Divide x raised to 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 20 by x square plus 2x plus 2 and verify by division algorithm. Answer means quotient and polynomial. So q of x will be answer of division only. Okay. So q of x will be x square plus 1 and r of x will be 80. Okay. That is not answer but answer of quotient and remainder. That is verification step. So no answer is there, only just check whether dividend polynomial you are getting or not. Okay. So second sum in homework just like solution of second. Okay. Now write it down. Divide x4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 20 by x square plus 2x plus 2 and verify your division process by division algorithm. Answer of quotient and remainder given there. Now our next one is from textbook. Question number 4. Exercise 2.3. Question number 4. What is that? Dividing, you just open your textbook also. Keep it open always. 3x cube plus 4x square plus 5x minus 30 by g of x means divisor polynomial not given. We get q of x 3x plus 10 and r of x. Sorry, that is okay, no problem. 5x minus 30. That is not question number 4. I have written your homework. Okay, so this will be in homework. This will be in homework. 3x plus 10 and r of x equal to 16x minus 43. Find 0. Okay. Again, dividing 3x cube plus 4x square plus 5x minus 13 by g of x, we get q of x 3x plus 10 and r of x 16x minus 43. Find g of x. Answer will be x square minus 2x plus 3. That will be answer. Now that our I just reading here, dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by g of x, q of x x minus 2 and r of x minus 2x plus 4. Find g of x. Okay, so that is the question. I am not writing. You are having textbook. Okay, so I just start that solution. Q of x, g of x, that is a division algorithm, Euclid's division algorithm. Q of x plus r of x. Now place all values. So first of all, that main polynomial which is being divided, so that is nothing but a p of x. So x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Okay, that is given p of x. Okay. Divisor polynomial not given, that we have to find. Then q of x is given x minus 2 and r of x minus 2x plus 4. Okay. I have not written here question, just given you number. There is dividend polynomial given, quotient given and remainder given, divisor polynomial not given. Okay. Now we have to find this one, so we have to set this, first of all this term plus minus and then this one in division. So divide that, shift that remainder polynomial towards left side, so it will become x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 plus 2x minus 4 is equal to v of x into x minus 2. Okay, that is shifted towards this side, so it becomes x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2, 1x plus 2x, 2 minus 4. Now we want this divisor polynomial, so set that x minus 2 also here, so it will go in denominator. So x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 upon x minus 2 is equal to 0, means divisor polynomial. Okay, again I repeat it, this is the division algorithm. P of x means dividend polynomial, quotient and remainder given, divisor polynomial not given. We have to find that by making it subject. First we shift these types of sum only, plus minus, then division multiplication. So first these are shifted, then x minus 2 is shifted. It is in multiplication, so go in division. Now nothing is there, just division. Divide this polynomial by this. Okay, so do division here. So x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. So I finish it first, x square. Okay, so it becomes x cube minus 2x square. I multiply by x square. This gone, this left. Minus 3 plus 2 minus x square plus 3x comes here, so minus x. Okay. Now it will be minus x square plus 2x plus minus, gone. 3 minus 2, 1x, x minus 2. Okay, so plus 1 only, so it becomes x minus 2 minus plus 0, 0. Just verify yourself also. Okay, so that was 2.3 question number 4. By actually here also at last division process came, but that is not our main part. By division algorithm only, you have to find any one missing polynomial. There are 4 things, 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of these 4 polynomial, if any 3 are given, then you can find any one which is missing. Not only p of x, anyone you can find. Okay, so out of 4 polynomial, dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder, if any one is missing, then you can find. Okay, just like solving equation. Okay, so I hope you understand that nothing is new, that is revision only, that is new part, but we done nothing yet, just make subject to 0 of x. Okay, so that is our this last question. Now only few questions are left in this lesson, and I again remind you, from next lecture you should have all your worksheets printed form. Get it printed, all your worksheets, lesson number 14, 15, 1 and 2. First of all, we will solve particular sum and particular objective which I feel that is new or twisted or difficult. Okay, so all objective and new sum, then we take turn of number 1, and then if any difficulties in 14 and 15, lesson number 14 and 15, we will solve that also. Then after we will start new lesson. Okay, so again I remind you, from tomorrow you should have your all lessons worksheet in printed form, not in mobile. Okay, and I will give you only number. I will not write here question. Okay, so if you don't have that, then you will not understand. Okay.